I'm in an apartment in Cottonwood Heights, Utah, and I have a Lennox furnace and the power's turned off. And we have sparks from under this flue. And it goes over to a water heater up through the roof. And I'm wondering if the dielectric unions aren't insulating and it's creating a slight voltage running it backwards through this flue to the ground wire of the furnace. So this electricity is not caused by the furnace. It's either coming through the flue or it's being created by the water heater. I've never seen anything like this before. But you can see the small sparks there, and you can see the darkness where it's been burning on here.
I have to go run some errands.